Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Edition pickup. On the outside of this Silverado, we have heated and power door mirrors, a rear step bumper, and fully automatic headlights. Inside you'll find comfortable, easy to clean cloth seating for 5, illuminated entry, and remote keyless entry. The 7-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2021 Chevrolet Silverado has less than 2,800 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.